Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily fix this error. Here you can see 0xc000007b. So how we can fix it? First we need just to go to Google and just write in Google DirectX and user runtime web installer. Here you can see it. So just first link its official Microsoft site. Here you can see it. So please just check if site is official, because you can also download some viruses to your computer, and you just check it, because you know it's really important. So here you choose language, English, and just click download. So it must automatically start. If it, here you can see, if it does not start after 30 seconds, just click here to download it manually. So after we download it, we just go back to our Google, and in Google we write net framework. So here you can see it. So just choose official.net Microsoft.com, official Microsoft site. So just check it and just choose here download net framework 4.7.2 runtime. So just click here and just wait after it automatically starts. If not, just click here to download it manually. So after it starts, just click on direct. You can see that download also finished. Just click yes, and I accept the agreement. Next, install. Here I don't want to install the Bing bar. Just go next, and just wait after it will install all the components. Here you can see that I already have a newest version of DirectX, but also you cannot have the latest version. So, and last we need to do, it's open our net framework that we actually download from internet.